The 2014 Sienna. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, dual zone AC. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. Your new ride is just a phone call away.